Alright guys, in this video I'm going to go through the following two questions involving finding the equation of a line. So in the first question, we're asked to find the equation of the line given 2 points on that line. And then in the second question, we're asked to find the equation of the line that is parallel to a given line and that goes through a given point. Alright, so I'm going to take these one at a time. So, first off, question 1. Find the equation of the line through the points minus 2, 6 and minus 1, 4. In order to find the equation of the line, we're going to use the point slope formula. That is y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. So that is, given a point x1, y1 and a slope m, we can find the equation of the line. So we have 2 points on this line. What we don't have is the slope. We don't have m here yet. So we need to find m before we can plug into this formula. To find the slope of the line through these 2 points, we'll find the slope between these 2 points. So that is that the slope m is given by y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. That is the difference in the y values divided by the difference in the x values. Also the rise over the run. You can think of it that way if you prefer. So my 2 points are minus 2, 6 and minus 1, 4. So I will label these x1, y1 and x2, y2. y2 minus y1 then is 4 minus 6, and x2 minus x1 is downstairs minus 1 minus negative 2. Tidying that up, that's 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 1 minus negative 2, a double negative gives me a positive, that's minus 1 plus 2, which is 1. And so I'm getting a slope of minus 2. Alright, so I can now plug this value for m in here to my point slope formula and I can generate the equation of the line. I have 2 points to choose from, minus 2, 6 and minus 1, 4. It makes no difference which one I choose. I will just choose minus 2, 6. And so my x1, y1 value in my formula will be minus 2, 6. So plugging in, I will get y minus y1, which is 6, equals m, which is negative 2, times parentheses x minus x1, which is for me negative 2. Close parentheses. Now I just want to do the algebra, distribute out my parentheses. So I have y minus 6 is equal to minus 2 on, inside the brackets I have x minus 2, that's x plus 2. And so I have y minus 6 is equal to, distributing this out, minus 2x minus 4. And so I will bring over my negative 6 to the other side, combine my like terms. I have y is equal to, I have a minus 2x on the right, I have a minus 4, and I will add 6 to both sides, so that is plus 6 coming over this side. And so I have y equals minus 2x minus 4 plus 6, that's plus 2. And that is the equation of my line. It is in slope-intercept form. As you see, we have a slope of minus 2. Indeed, that confirms this minus 2 that we have here. And this plus 2 is my y-intercept. Alright, so that's that first question done. Completed. So question number 2. So question number 2, it says find the equation of the line parallel to 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0 through the point minus 1, 3. Again, my point slope form of the line is y minus y1, let's rewrite it, equals m parentheses x minus x1. I have a point x1, y1 on the line. It's given to me, minus 1, 3. So my x1, y1, if you like, in this formula is minus 1, 3. What I don't have, or at least I don't have it directly, is my m. I don't have my m to plug in here, but I am told something about the slope. I'm told that it's parallel to this line right here. So parallel to the line 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So the question is, what is the slope of this line? How do we find it? Well, the easiest way to find the slope of a line, given its equation, I think, is to put it into slope-intercept form, and then the slope will sort of pop out. To put it in slope-intercept form, I want to get y by itself. So what I will do is I will subtract everything other than the y to the right-hand side. That gives me minus y equals, I have a minus 2x, and I would have plus 3. Right, so I subtract minus 2x to the right, and I add my negative 3 to the right-hand side. I now need to just multiply both sides of my equation by negative 1 in order to have a positive y on the left. So that becomes y equals, if I multiply this side of the equation by negative 1, I get 2x minus 3. And so I'm now in slope-intercept form. I've rewritten this line in slope-intercept form, and this tells me that the slope m right here is 2. The slope-intercept form, the coefficient that is on the x, is the slope of that line. So that I have an m of 2, and so now I have all the information I need to proceed and find the equation of the line that I'm looking for. I have a point, minus 1, 3, and I have the slope of 2. So I will simply plug that into my formula. I have y minus y1 is 3 is equal to 2, parentheses, x minus, and my x1 is negative 1. So, completing the algebra, I have y minus 3 is equal to 2 times x double negative, gives me a positive. 2 on x plus 1, and then distributing out the brackets, I have y minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 2. And bring over my negative 3 to the right-hand side. I will have y is equal to 2x plus 2 plus 3, which is y is equal to 2x plus 5. And that is the equation of my line for question number 2. All right.